Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. So again, I am here with a new chapter and a new practical. So today we will be doing PowerPoint presentation. So students, you know everything, means almost everything in PowerPoint presentation. So long you are doing it, doing presentation there, creating presentation there, isn't it? So today we will take up some more important thing, small points, small details, detailing or detail points in details which you have never focused on. Okay, so which will help you in making your presentation more professional. All right, so I hope it will help you a lot. So let's start our class. Okay, let's open PowerPoint presentation. So here I am clicking. See students, my version is Windows 8.1, but I have just brought this classic menu. You can see my video how to bring this. Anyway, now I'm opening here. I have version 2007, PowerPoint 2007, so I'm opening this. So students, you can see on the top it is written presentation 1. That is said to be as your title bar. In that bar, the title or the name of your presentation will appear. Okay, then you can see this home insert, that is said to be its ribbon, and you can see some shortcut keys, save, undo and all on the top. Okay, then below there is also a space given, that is to add some notes. If you want to add some notes to your presentation, that can be seen in the that can be written in the note space given for note. Okay, so basically this is the interface of PowerPoint, which you know. So here you can just zoom it and zoom in, zoom out and zoom in, and then there are three options here you can see below to view your presentation. Okay, the last one is slideshow. The before one is for the all the slides, and then the first one is for normal view, which is this. So in the first, by default you will get two box, title and subtitle. So to show you, I'm giving here a title. Okay, so you can write here whatever you want, or the topic you want to cover. I'm giving a topic like this, how to protect ourselves from COVID-19. So I'm writing like that. Okay, COVID-19, and then below COVID-19 virus, and below I'll write my name. So you can write the name of the creators. Okay, so I'm writing it here. You can format the background, means it's white background does not look good, isn't it? So you can give here solid color. From solid color you can give pictures, textures, so many textures are there. So I'll be inserting a picture to show you. Okay, now I do not have a picture here, so what I will do, I'll quickly download a picture from internet, and then I will show you how to insert that. Okay, so let us download it. So students, I'll be downloading this picture, you can see. Okay, and I'll save it somewhere. I'll save it, let me save it in the desktop. Done. Okay, okay, now let us come back to our presentation. So as I show you, you have to click on you have to just right click and then go to format background, and from there, as I want picture, so I'll click on picture and I'll click on file and I'll find my picture. So I have saved in desktop, so I am finding it from the desktop, and that's my picture. Okay, so I'll be clicking on insert, and after that students, you can see, I'll just let you see that the picture is of very dark color. See, the picture is very dark color, means whatever we have written, it is not clearly visible. So students, you can see below there is a transparency option. So if I will make it more transparent, means the whatever is written at the back, that will be more visible and the picture will be lighter. Can you see now the picture has become lighter? So you can adjust the transparency. Now there are two options. If you want the same background to in all slides, click apply to all, or else okay. So done for my first page done. Then Okay, now before moving to the next page, we will do animation. Okay, so select the animation effect you want. You select the part where you want to apply, then animation effect, add effect. So here I will just apply color typewriter. So you can see, okay, color typewriter, how it is applying. Click on OK. Now students, here are some more options that you have to follow. First one, on click, that I will tell you afterwards. Then you can see the speed. Now you can see the speed of the letter appearing. You can also change it yourself, very fast. See, the speed has been slow, then you can give very fast, it has been fastened, then medium or slow, according to your choice. Okay, so according to your choice you can apply. So this is a very important step you have to follow. Okay, so this is what. Okay, then next again My Himadri, that also I'll give an option effect. So I'll give here, I think so I'll give here rise up. Okay, so this is an entry effect, how the the name will appear, how it will appear. Okay, now I will also give another animation to it to make it more emphasized, to focus more on it. Okay, so for that you have to go to emphasize, and from there you have to select. So here you can select anything like change font size and style, which will, if it will change by color, it will be more focused. The one who is looking the presentation will have more focus on that, isn't it? So I'll be giving here underline. Okay, I'll get one okay, that one, underline one I'll give. Okay, so you can select it, how to, yes, underline. Fine. Now what I will do, I will select after previous. See, we can select here start after previous, means we do not have to again click with the mouse to this name or to this animation effect to be appeared or to be emphasized or to be focused. Okay, so I'll be giving after previous, means after one effect the other will come automatically. So this is how it is looking. Slideshow I am showing. Okay, how to protect ourselves from COVID-19 virus, and my name is here underline. Okay, so this is the view, this is the full screen view, I can say. Then next, move to the next page. So we have to insert a new page. So generally we used to insert a what we can say, this blank page, isn't it? But you can also insert different layouts. You can click and insert different layouts, which will make your task more easier. So here in the second one I just have cut, and I'll show you again how I have inserted that. So new slide, and you can select according to your choice. Suppose you want to enter a title there and to give something else, so you can click on the title only. Then suppose you want to give comparison using pictures and all, you can give comparison, so like that. So here I want the title, along with that I'll be giving a chart or a picture for that. Okay, so I'll be selecting this title and content. Okay, so I'll be selecting title and content. Now see here, I'll be writing. You do not have to again draw the text box here. That's that way it is making your task easier, isn't it? So why we need, I'm just writing the title, means topic here, why we need to protect ourselves. So what is, why we need to protect ourselves? There must be a reason, isn't it? The reason is that COVID-19 it's just increasing just in a very high range. Okay, so you need to prove it. You need to give a, you can give a chart here, you can give a you can give a what we can say, a spreadsheet to show the data, how it is increasing day by day. So just to make everyone aware, you can add some more things here. Okay, so I'll be writing here first what is COVID-19 virus. So everyone should know that. Okay, so first I'm writing here COVID-19. It is what? It is a virus, isn't it? So COVID-19 is a infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Okay, so this is the definition of COVID-19. So to make everyone aware, first of all we need to give them the idea what is COVID-19, isn't it? So this is what COVID-19. Now I want to insert a chart here, fine, to make everyone aware, or to show how it is increasing day by day, the number of people infected and death increasing day by day. To show that, I'll give a chart. Okay, so to insert a chart, what you have to do, you have to click on insert. Okay, and then you can click on chart option. From chart, okay, click on chart option and you will get different types of chart here. I think this pie chart will be more appropriate for this situation. So I'm giving here a pie chart including here, and then I'll be writing here the data. See, in this side you have to create the database yourself, your Excel sheet, then the other side your graph will be there. Okay, so we need to write month wise and all. So I'll be writing here, you just see. Okay, see, you can see here in the Excel sheet I have just changed the data, and then after closing that you will get this chart. Okay, so you can just bring it down, you can make it small according to your wish. You can make it small, you can make it bigger, you can just bring it up and down according to your choice. Okay, so here also I'm not showing, but you can change the background color, give pictures, textures, whatever you want, and animations and all you can give it. All right, so this is the second part, how to insert a chart. Okay, I have given here a background color to make it more attractive. Okay, so come to the next slide. So I have given here a blank slide, and in this slide I'll be going to show you how to insert a background music. Okay, so if you have a background music saved in your computer, it's well and good. If you do not have, you can get some videos from internet. Okay, and here is a tip. The tip is that always try to find some no copyright music. Okay, when you will Google or Google for a music, background music, always write no copyright music. Otherwise, if you will use it somewhere, or if you will post it in social medias, YouTube and all, copyrights may come, because the musics are created by someone else, and without permission we are not allowed to use them. Okay, so there are some no copyright music that you can use for your videos. So next I'll be writing here steps to follow while going in public place. Okay, so and then I'll be inserting here a picture or shape. I'll be inserting, writing what to do. Just to show you, you can insert, you can download and insert something else. Just I'm inserting here, and I'll be emo I'm deleting, no need. Okay, here. Okay, so this is a shape I have given, and then I'll be editing, means I'll be writing inside the shape the steps to follow. First step. Okay, and I'll be writing here wear a mask and gloves. Okay, so we should wear a mask and gloves while going at the public places. Okay, now I'll be showing you to insert a sound. Click on sound, click on sound in file, and after that then you will get this option to browse, find your music file where you have saved. It is in my desktop, then I have selected this one, then okay. Okay, so you have here two options are given. If you want automatically the sound should appear whenever this slide will come, then you click on automatically, or if you want to give a speech before starting the music, you can just click this one, when click. So I want automatically, so I will click automatically. Done. So after this sound starts, I also want this to emphasize. Okay, so I'll just emphasize it, grow with color or spin, whatever you can do. I'll be do with growing with color. Where is growing with color? Growing with color, grow with color. Okay, fine, this one. So let us now see the slideshow. Click on the first slide and done. Okay, see, the sound is coming. I think so students, you can hear the sound is coming. Yes, and after the sound this will come. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, you can arrange it yourself. Then you can add another slides, like after that you can add a video also. Fine, so you can do the video from your phone. That's very good idea, students. You can do a video from your phone, add it here, and then you can do. So I'll be adding here a video or class video I have already saved in my computer. So I'll again click on blank slide, then I'll click on insert, and I'll sorry, I will click on insert, yes, and then I'll click on movie, then movie from file. Okay, so I have videos like in the desktop and in class videos. Okay, I have some. So I'll take a video of class 7. Okay, CPU, fine, video, and this one I'll be taking here. Here also students, you will get same options. So I'll be clicking on automatic, and you can make it full screen if you want. You can also make it small, it's your choice. Done. And see, you can, it's gone up, so I want to slide and bring it at the last. Coming. So again do the slideshow and see, I am here doing the slideshow of the last. Today we will study what? Computer hardware. You can see the video is being played. Fine. So like this you can add the video, add pictures to your PowerPoint presentation. Fine. This is the next part. Then I'll also give you one more option to give hyperlink. Okay, so hyperlink. So let us go again to another slide. Okay, so let us click on blank slide, and here let me give you can give pictures, title, everything. I'll just show you how to give a link here, add a link here. You can here add a link to a website. You can add here a link to a video, provided it is in the YouTube good video that you want to make the audience see, watch it. Okay, you can make your own video and give a hyperlink to it. So anything you can do. I'll just show you how to insert that link. Fine. So first of all, you have to draw a text box, and there you have to write the piece of text which you want to make a link. So I'll be writing here, click here to get more information, and I'll not make the whole whole piece of text a link. I'll just make click here a link. Okay, so select the part and then click on hyperlink, which is under inside tab. Then you can select or find your page to which you want to link. Okay, you can just find or just go back. You can get, I'll be inserting a HTML file. Okay, so I'll be inserting a HTML page, It's not here. You find it properly. Let me go to browse, and there I have got one that I will select. After that, okay. Now you can see this click here option, it has changed into blue color while the rest part is in black color. Why? Because click here, now it is not only a piece of text but a link. How you can find out how it is a link? If you bring the cursor down, it's a arrow. Whenever you take it on above that piece of text, it becomes a hand. Okay, and it is highlighted with blue color. Now let us click there and see. I am clicking here and it will take me to another page. So click on yes, and then this is the web page or HTML page. It is opening, to which I have linked. See, this is what hyperlink. So these all things we have done. Next we will give slide transition. Students, now I will tell you what is slide transition. It's the way how the slide appears. Now if I give here slideshow, you can see the slides are just appearing. Okay, just yes. Now let us give a slide transition and check it. Go to the first slide, go to animation, and these all are slide transition. Click here and you can get any of the slide transition you want. Okay, so I'll be giving here slide transition, this one. Fine. So let us click here. After that you need to do so many settings. So what first one is here. If you want it to be fast, give it fast. I want it to be medium, so medium. You can also give a transition sound. Okay, so many sounds are here, so I'll be giving a sound here. Okay, this one. Then you can also make it automatic or on mouse click, means one slide will come after another automatically. So let us keep automatic and let us give a time of some seconds so that we can finish the presentation of the first slide. So 12 seconds or 15-16 seconds will be enough. Lastly, we have to click here apply to all. Done. Now let us check. Okay, see, all right. So I have just given a review of all these things. Now these all are the things you can apply in your PowerPoint presentation. I hope you have got something new also. Whatever you knew from before, something more you get to know here.